My favorite classic champagne cocktail, Kir Royale, is so simple to make and refreshing and fruity and perfect for the summer. Let's get started. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making my favorite champagne cocktail, Kir Royale. I'm not even gonna try to say it the way the French say it because it's all like fruity, but all you need to make your Kir Royale is a bottle of champagne or sparkling wine, some Chambord, which is a blackberry liqueur, and then fresh fruit to garnish. That's all that's for. It's super simple to make. You can have these ready in like a matter of seconds. So to make your drinks, we're just gonna take some of the Chambord, and I usually measure it out in a shot glass, but you can totally eyeball this. And the more Chambord that you use, the sweeter your drink's going to be. So if you're more of like, you like kind of the flavor of a champagne or sparkling wine more than you want the sweet, then just add a little less Chambord. So I'm gonna measure about and spill it all over, like half of a shot glass, and pour that into the bottom of your glass. We're just gonna take the berries and we're gonna spread them onto a cocktail pick. And you just wanna do this ahead of time because you're gonna lose that fizz in your drink if you're doing this after you pour the champagne. So it's nice to have these done ahead of time. You can even freeze the berries. So if you just want to freeze your berries and then throw them into the drink, and then that actually makes your drink colder. It's perfect for the summer. And then we're just gonna top off our drink with some champagne or sparkling wine. This is so delicious. And then I like to use a little bit of orange zest, and usually I make it fancy and make it swirly, but I can't find my tool. So we're just gonna grab a little bit of orange zest with this vegetable peeler. It's not super pretty, but it adds a lot of flavor to your drink. And then just top your drink off with your little cocktail pick. And that's it. There's your drink. There is a refreshing Kir Royale. I'm just gonna take a sip just to make sure it tastes right. It is so fabulous. I could drink these all day. Super fruity. And then that champagne, you have the fizz. It's so, so delicious. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again. Cheers.